Hello guys, this is Robert from Desert Street Auto. Has this ever happened to you that your front bumper falls down? There's a quick and effective part that you can use to fix this. Is a quick release bumpers. Although it's effective, it's not a permanent solution, and it's very easy to install. What you're going to be needing is a sorts of bits and your drill. And let me show you how easy it is to work with this. So you want to first begin with getting your bolt out, and you want to find a bit that is nearly the identical size of that. If the bit is too small, it's better to work with something small than to start big. In this occasion, yeah, that looks good. So I'll be using this size right here. Let me just put it in here. Alright, so for you, what you want to do with this is, I didn't really measure it. It's really as it's how you just want to be getting intact. I need to take this out so I can show you what I'm talking about. So basically how this works is just gonna be this is gonna hold it on your bumper, but mainly what makes it work is this rubber band and these two little things. So once you have it, this is gonna be the tension that is gonna be keeping your bumper pretty much in place. So what I'm trying to let you know is that as far as where the holes you want to drill them, you want to drill them somewhere where these two are gonna be in the bumper or in your bumper and your fender, but the tension that is gonna be getting from this rubber band is basically what's gonna keep your bumper intact. So in order to get that good tension, this is my way of doing it. So I can kind of see that the rubber band, it has about that much of surface or tension. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them roughly around there. That should give me enough to bring this here. And alright, so at this point you want to go ahead and grab some masking tape. This is gonna come in handy so you can draw the holes where you're gonna be drilling. Just grab your pen right here and these are going to be our guides. So I believe if we have that right there, I believe that's going to be enough tension to keep it together. So at this point, you just grab your drill and make sure that you're not hitting anything on the back. If in this occasion there's nothing in here, I double checked and there's also nothing, so we're good. You don't want to be drilling something that you're not supposed to. And it's very simple, guys. Be careful, keep your fingers away, and go ahead and do it. Now before I drill this, I just want to make sure that I'm within the dimensions that I'm supposed to. So I'm a little bit small still, which is great. So we're gonna just be getting another drill bit that it's a little bit bigger now that we have our initial hole. Holy cow. Okay, this looks good. And we're just going to be swapping out the bit. So I believe I'm still a little bit too small, so let's just which is perfect. We'll make this work. So we'll make this work. Just bear with me a second. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drill the other one too. Because my drill bits are not the best, but they do work. So just so then once you have your holes drilled the right size, you want to go ahead and be getting your hardware. So you're going to be getting the bolt, the nut, a washer, and the part that you're using to hold the rubber band. So you're going to start by peeling off your masking tape, and you want to go ahead and get your bolt through your quick release tool. Put your the washer goes on the back, guys. Put it like this. Put your washer on your back and tighten your bolt down. And this is how it looks on the inside, guys. So this is how it looks. Really easy to work with. You just go ahead and then grab your tools. On this occasion, it's a number 10, and I'm using an Allen. Once you get it in there, just lock it in place. And that's it, guys. You do that to the other one. Peel off your tape. Grab your quick release tool. Get it through here. And this one is going to be a little struggle, so bear with me a second. Sometimes you just gotta play with it, guys. Be patient, you'll get it, don't worry. And on this, I'm gonna see if I can hold it with my hand. Let's see if I can be the number 10 wrench. So I can hold this down. And nope, I'm not strong enough. So I'm gonna have to get my 10 in there. And then you just want to turn it. Notice how I put it the other way. Let's use it this way like that. And that's it, guys. So these things are now in place. These are not gonna go nowhere. They look super cool. And here's gonna see if we're gonna see if this is gonna work. So this is like I mentioned. So we're gonna get it on one side. And there you have it, guys. Pretty neat fix. This is really strong. It does the job really well. It works really good, but throughout time and depending on the weather situations, these rubber bands fail. So as long as you keep replacing these, this can be an effective fix for any kind of bumper that is falling down. Thank you guys for joining. This is Robert from Desert Street Automotive. Have a great day. Check you guys later.